Okay, Trace, so since we chatted on the phone earlier and you're asking me to show you what I was talking about, I thought I would put this movie together and it might make it easier to understand. So basically what we were chatting about earlier was trying to figure out what keywords that your demographic would look for to find information related to sports and beer. So what you and I did was we put together a simple list of keywords, and these are words that we felt that your consumers would go on the internet and look for and click on the hits organically. So we have 9 keywords here: Super Bowl, ESPN, and so forth. So what I did was I took this list and I put them in my keyword research tool, and within about an hour, we'll slide this over so you can just focus on this. Within about an hour, I had the results of the websites that rank organically for all 9 of those hits. And you'll see it starts with Super Bowl, NFL. But what's interesting for you is YouTube ranks number 9, whereas ESPN ranks number 24. So what I did was I went out to validate my work by bringing up my web browser, and if you go to Google and you search Super Bowl, what you'll get is the list of websites that rank for those keywords organically. And if you put that list in Google, what shows up organically in Google next to my list, you'll see it's a 1-for-1. My list had Super Bowl, NFL, Wikipedia. Same with the website. Super Bowl with Google, I should say. Super Bowl, NFL, Wikipedia, Titco. The only variation is that YouTube has actually moved up a spot. They were behind Super Bowl ads. I'm sorry, they were behind Ticket Solutions, but now they've bumped up ahead of those guys. So anyway, let's see. If you slide that out of the way and you go into YouTube, what you'll notice is that YouTube is doing a promotion for Super Bowl ads, and that's what ranks organically in Google for all those keywords. So the very first thing that I noticed was that, well, let me back up. The way it works is people can vote for ads up or down, up or down. And what I noticed was that Bud Light actually is number 2. And so what I did was I went down the list of all the ads that rank in the top 50, and 9 out of the 50 ads were Bud Light related. So right now they have nearly 10% of all the votes. And they're right here at the top. You don't even have to do any scrolling to get to the Bud Light ad. If you click on this, it loads the ad up for you. And if you click on this particular user who has a bunch of Bud Super Bowl ads, you'll notice that he or she that they have 564 subscribers. People have viewed their channel 70,000 times, and that this particular video, which is ranking number 2 in YouTube Super Bowl, has had 500,000 hits. So basically, from the time that someone searches any of these keywords in the list, Super Bowl in this particular instance, just a few clicks away, they have access to a bunch of Bud Light ads on YouTube. One other thing that I thought was pretty interesting was I went out and pulled a report. If you take a look at the ESPN site, which is ESPN. What is it? Let's see here. It is sports.espn.go.com versus YouTube for the month of October 2007. You'll see that YouTube has a lot more hits and that they were up for the month. Go was down for the month. But look at this variation over the course of a year. YouTube is up 94%, whereas Go is only up 11.5%. So that's just a quick example of how we can go from just talking about a particular item, going out and doing the research, and at least get some high-level data within the course of one evening. Well, I hope this is helpful with you. I'll talk with you soon. Bye.